Hi, and thank you for joining me on HHM TV. I'm Michelle O'Rear with Hallmark Home Mortgage. I'm here at Holy Grounds with Bishop Leo, and he's going to tell us about how it started and really the story behind it.
Hi, good afternoon, good day to you. Thank you for your kindness in coming and covering this Holy Grounds coffee shop. This church is, this year marks the 110th anniversary of this church building itself. It was the very first church built in the 1840s west of Mississippi, and then this church this building was built in 1913, so this year marks the 110th anniversary. This May we started this place, Holy Grounds. Holy Grounds, again, a play on the word. It is indeed in the Holy Grounds, right below the sanctuary, and also the coffee that we make is very unique, and we want to open it to the community. And it's a nice space for people to come and hang out, drink coffee, even families to come and spend some time, and so on. So this was more a community outreach. Our coffee is called Aslan because it is the church of C.S. Lewis. So from the Chronicles of Narnia, the lion, King of Kings, Jesus. It comes from Arkansas, and it's been roasted for us specially, and so that's what we do here.
Wow. Do you guys ever host events here?
We offer it to people if they want. This morning there was a church group sitting there and discussing, about 10 of them, I guess. So anyone who would like to come and use the space, they come and use it, and so it's available, and we don't charge anybody. It is just first come, first serve basis, sort of, and people are happy to hang out here and then be here. Yes.
Now, I think you mentioned before that you opened up the coffee shop to help fund the restoration of the church.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
Can you tell
Thank
us
you.
a little bit about that, please?
So, yes, thank you. And our restoration is not done. In fact, there is one side of the building, old as it is, it has settled, and therefore, that needs to be tuck pointed. It is an old building, very unique, very special, but it needs a lot of TLC. And therefore, this is our effort to really raise funds in order to keep this church. And it is our hope and prayer and our efforts that this church will continue on as a church instead of being converted into all kinds of businesses that it already underwent. We hope to keep it that way, and even after us, that it will continue on. So that is our effort. The Holy Grounds is supposed to support that cause, to keep it going while reaching out to the community, also trying to help preserve the historic legacy that this downtown has had.
Yes, and bring everyone together too.
Sure,
That's wonderful. Yes. Well, thank you so much, Bishop Leo. It was very nice to meet you. Really appreciate you letting us come into your store and talk about what you have to offer.
Thank you. I would like to thank Hallmark Home Mortgage Company for coming and doing this pro bono service for us. You guys are very kind and gracious, and God bless you for what you're doing. And this is how we grow together as a community, in that people known to each other can tell about each other to others, so that others will get to know, and many more people will profit from you guys also by using your mortgage company.
Absolutely, thank you. And also, where can the folks watching us find Holy Grounds?
So we are located 2 blocks north of downtown Liberty Square and 342 North Water Street. It is just under the auspices of the church. So if you find the church, don't be disappointed, be happy. Just come on in, because the coffee shop is right underneath in the basement of the church. Basement, let it not scare you. It's bright, beautiful, and God's grace and blessing is always with us. And so we are very, very thankful to you.
And thank you all for tuning in. This is Michelle O'Rear with Hallmark Home Mortgage. Thanks for watching HHM TV. Go out there and find the wonderful things in your area.